Hello everyone, welcome to Educational Marga. I'm Vishnu Kumar Pandey, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the discovery of vanadium in the Arunachal Pradesh and also the uses and the significance of the vanadium and its importance in India. As you can see the article from the Hindu over here, right? Over here you can see the article from Hindu, right? Okay. So before we move further, make sure you subscribe this channel Educational Marga and hit the like button if you find this video useful for you, right? So before we start the discussion, I have a question for you. In which of the following states lithium reserve was found in India for the first time? You have the options Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, Jharkhand. Okay. Pause the video and try to answer that in the comment section. The answer will be provided at the end of this video. Right. Let's start. So, as we know that Arunachal Pradesh and other states like have been provided with or blessed with the various rivers like the Brahmaputra in Arunachal Pradesh and also other rivers, right? And because of this, it has a huge capacity to produce the hydroelectricity. But because of the lack of the infrastructure and other problems or the policies, it has not been utilized. It had not been exploited, right? So because of this, this state was called as the sleeping hydropower giant. But because of this news, the exploration being carried out by the Geological Survey of India, which is GSI, right, has put this on a different level. This state, right? Okay. Because of this state, the India and the state itself is now on the vanadium map of the world, right? So vanadium is a chemical element with the symbol V, right? And it is hard, it's like silvery gray, malleable transition metal, right? The metal is rarely found, okay? And after its extraction, a layer of the oxide is put over it to stop or to prevent the further oxidation of the metal, right? And this process is called passivation, right? I'm so sure that you would be knowing about the magnesium ribbon, how it is covered with a oxide over that, right? So it was discovered by the Andres Manuel del Rio in 1801 in Mexico, right? Okay. You can see the periodic table and you can locate that. You can find the position of the vanadium over here. These are the groups, right? These verticals are the group, right? So it is in the fifth group, right? And these are the periods. Horizontals are the periods, right? So this is the fourth period, right? After that, you can see something more over this vanadium is 23 is its atomic number and the atomic mass is 50.942 units, right? Okay, so vanadium reacts with oxygen and forms the V2O5, which is vanadium pentoxide. Keep that in mind, right? That's very important. And also the location or the area where it has been like discovered, right? You can see this is like Papum Pare. I think I'm not pronouncing this correctly. So anyone from the local area can suggest me what could be the actual pronunciation of this word. So Papum Pare district, right? It is in the news. So here that metal vanadium has been discovered by the Geological Survey of India, right? Okay, you can see other locations from here like Assam, Nagaland and Myanmar over here, right? Okay, so the quality of the vanadium which is found in India is similar to that of the deposits, vanadium deposits of China, because it is very close to China, right? Then geologists first discovered two bands of the 7-meter thick carbonaceous phyllite for a length of more than 6 kilometers in the depot area. And after this discovery, they started further exploration in this area, right, of this state. Okay, so like it has a huge significance because of this discovery. You know what happened? India will be now self-sufficient if it discovers more and more vanadium over there. So If you look after the data which was provided by the GSI, 4% of the vanadium, which is about 84,000 metric ton, which was used by India, consumed by India just in 2017, right? Okay, and China is the most largest producer of the vanadium, which is 57% of the world's vanadium, and it consumes the 40%, 44% of it also, right? So it is the like most producer and most consumer both, right? And because of this discovery, it will boost Atmanirbhar Bharat, right? We used to talk about that a lot. So Atmanirbhar Bharat. Then here you can see, because of this discovery, it will boost the local and the national economy, right? Okay. Now we will look after the data that which country has what amount of the vanadium resources, right? Okay, here you can see China is at the top, which is 9.5 million metric ton, followed by the Russia, the South Africa, and the Australia, and then the North and the Southern American countries. Now you can include this region of India as well, right? This region. Okay, let's move further. So vanadium is used mostly to make the alloys because of its nature. It has a good durability in extreme temperature and environments, and are corrosion resistant, right? They do not degrade. They help other elements to prevent from the corrosion process, right? Okay, and also it has a good strength, right? Because of that, it is used in the buildings, tunnels, and the bridges. Apart from this, it is also used in the vanadium redox batteries, right? Okay, this battery you can see over here. Okay, let's move further. Here are some more data about the Geological Survey of India, right? It was formed on founded on 4th March 1851. Parent organization was Survey of India, right? It comes under the Ministry of the Mines, and the headquarters is located at Kolkata, West Bengal, India, right? And the head of executive or the director of this agency is Dr. Ranjit Rath, you can see, right? Now let's move to the question what I had asked you before. So in which of the following states lithium was found in India for the first time? And the correct answer is actually Karnataka. I hope many of you have tried that, right? And so thank you so much. Here you can see that the article from the Indian Express, right? So lithium was found in Karnataka. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for being here, and make sure you subscribe the channel and you hit the like button for the future notifications. Press the notification bell and support the channel. Share with your friends and everyone, all the students. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you all. Thank you so much.